But burps are strangely most famous, but just slang for air comes out your anus. But what you have heard, when it's not quite a turd, are just hoots from the planet Uranus. Bet you did not know that. I am Robbie McSmall and I think farts are funny. You too. Well, there is plenty more funny for you at robbiemcsmall.com. I hope you come over to play with me sometime. Oh, my. That was a wet one.